Viruses, viroids and lichens. Viruses are the simplest forms of life. They are acellular. Viroids are small single-stranded circular RNA molecules which infect higher plants. Lichens are composite organisms consisting of a symbiotic association of a fungus, the mycombionт, with a photosynthetic partner, the photobionт or phycobionт, usually either a green algae, commonly Tribauxia, or Cyanobacterium, commonly nostoc. Viruses. A virus is a small infectious agent that can only replicate inside the cells of another organism. The viruses are non-cellular organisms that are characterized by having an inert, crystalline structure outside the living cell. Viruses infect all types of organisms, from animals and plants to bacteria and archaea. Viruses are obligate parasites. Along with proteins, viruses also contain genetic material that could be either RNA or DNA. No virus contains both RNA and DNA. Viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA, and viruses that infect animals have either single or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Bacterial viruses or bacteriophages are usually double-stranded DNA viruses. The protein coat called capsid is made of small subunits, that is, capsomeres, which protects the nucleic acid. These capsomeres are arranged in helical or polyhedral geometric forms. Viruses cause diseases like mumps, smallpox, herpes, and influenza. AIDS in humans is also caused by a virus. In plants, the symptoms can be mosaic formation, leaf rolling and curling, yellowing and vein clearing, dwarfing and stunted growth. Viroids. About 30 distinct types of viroids have been identified, differing from viruses in being naked RNA molecules. Viroids are plant pathogens that consist of a short stretch, a few hundred nucleobases of highly complementary, circular, single-stranded RNA without the protein coat that is typical for viruses. The smallest discovered is a 220 nucleobase scRNA, that is, small cytoplasmic RNA, associated with the rice yellow mottle sorbemovirus, that is, RYMV. It was found to be a free RNA. It lacked the protein coat that is found in viruses, hence the name viroid. The RNA of the viroid was of low molecular weight. Viroids were discovered and given this name by Theodor Otto Diener, a plant pathologist at the Agricultural Research Service in Maryland in 1971. Viroid RNA does not code for any protein. The replication mechanism involves RNA polymerase II, an enzyme normally associated with synthesis of messenger RNA from DNA, which instead catalyzes rolling circle synthesis of a new RNA using the viroid's RNA as template. The first viroid to be identified was the potato spindle tuber viroid, that is PSTVD. Some 33 species have been identified. Lichens. Lichens occur in some of the most extreme environments on Earth, that are Arctic tundra, hot deserts, rocky coasts, and toxic slag heaps, as epiphytes on leaves and branches in rainforests and temperate woodland, on bare rock, including walls and gravestones, and on exposed soil surfaces. Example: Colema, in otherwise mesic habitats. Lichens are of three types: crotose, fruticose, foliose. Lichens are composite organisms consisting of a symbiotic association of a fungus, that is the mycobiont, with a photosynthetic partner, that is the photobiont or phycobiont. Usually either a green algae, that is Triboxia, or cyanobacterium, that is nostoc. Lichens are widespread and may be long-lived. Many species are also vulnerable to environmental disturbance and may be useful to scientists in assessing the effects of air pollution, ozone depletion, and metal contamination. Lichens have also been used in making dyes and perfumes, as well as in traditional medicines. Algae prepare food for fungi, and fungi provides shelter and absorb mineral nutrients and water for its partner. Association of lichen is so close that when seen in nature, one would never imagine that they had two different organisms within them. Lichens are very good pollution indicators. They do not grow in polluted areas.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.